What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to turn off your location on Snapchat and turn off your Snap Map location so others cannot see you. So I obviously don't want to reveal my location, but once you get to Snap Map, you're going to hit this little gear icon in the upper right hand corner. And then once you hit that, you'll be taken to this screen right here. And then the first option at the top is Ghost Mode. You're just going to tap on that. And then you should be brought to a screen where you can enable it for a certain amount of time or until turned off. Usually I just keep it until turned off, and then that way it'll never reveal your location and never turn on automatically. You could have it set to disable for a certain amount of time period if you'd like, but personally I never really want anyone tracking my location. It's kind of a weird feature in my opinion, and a lot of others agree with me. You probably do if you're watching this video. If you did find this tutorial confusing or had any questions, just drop a comment and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.